Hi everybody, it's Claire with another art journal video. Today I'm playing in my Soul Snack tag journal, which I created from a course by Christy Nazaro, which you can find on her website. So I found a feather when I was out on a walk, and of course you know I love rainbows, I love bright colours. I decided that I would paint it and make it into a rainbow feather because why not? So I'm starting off just adding some rainbow colours onto the feather, and this would work with any rainbow colours really, but I've started off with ruby, tangerine, lemon, all from Dina Wakley, then turquoise, and then I've used from Dylusions, is it Laid Back Lilac and Bubblegum Pink, and I added those onto the feather and then set it aside to dry. Then I'm going on to the background, and it's got no gesso on. I'm just going straight on with some paint, and I'm using mineral to start off with. This is a stencil from Art by Marlene. It's from her Sophisticated range, and I'm using marine over the top through the stencil, and just used a baby white before and removed the stencil just to move away a bit of the paint because it was a little bit too dark. Once it was dry, I then added some collage. This is just a piece of book paper, and then I'm just going to start layering up, excuse me, I can't speak, some pieces of tissue paper and bits of sticker paper that are left over onto the background, just building up some interest in the layers in the background. If you guys are anything like me, I'm always on the lookout for more tissue paper when I'm out and about, and more recently I came across this paper. It's actually a decoupage paper, but it's so lovely because it's got all that text on it. Works so well when you're doing mixed media collage work. So it's worth looking out for things like that when you're out and about. Then I've got a little tin with watercolour circles, which are useful as like little add-ons on pages like this. So I'm going to use that to anchor the feather down in a bit. I'm going to stitch it on using my sewing machine. And then just more mark making on the page too, more dots using the white Posca pen and the Signo Uniball. I'm just playing and doodling on the page as well. I'm adding some splatters using black watered down acrylic paint, and now you can see that I've had my sewing machine out and I've whizzed round the circle just to fix the feather on, and I just like the look of the stitching on there too. So then I'm just bringing the yellow across the page and using a yellow Posca pen, just adding some dots in yellow to kind of link in with the circle that's on the page as well. And then I'm just using my double-sided tape gun, and I'm just going to stick that in place really quickly, and then some found text from a book, and then it slots back in, and there we go. That literally is it. That is the finished page. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this quick page come together. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.